We're going to the school tour. We are going to see the Jex Institute with the SCA Coordinator, Mr. Khalid. Thank you so much, sir. So Jex Institute is here in Al Baraha, Dubai. We are just in the community called Al Baraha. And here we are coming from Hughes Hotel. Next building is Bin Sulam building where Jex Institute is located. This very building. Yes, sir. We are on the first floor, office 111. So ground floor of the building is Greenland Hypermarket. Maybe there is a bit of sale, so that is why. Yeah, we will do the bypassing.
Assalamualaikum. Salam. Kaisa hai bhaiya? Alhamdulillah.
So we'll move through this corridor, sir, and then to the first floor. I think we'll use these stairs, yeah?
I'm still young.
And exercise is good for you. So this building is entirely full of offices. Yeah. Today we are using the stairs. Baristas are always energetic, right?
Yes.
He's leaving me. Yeah. So we are walking to the Jex Institute. You that is out there wanting to come and visit, you're very much welcome. Our doors are wide open, Monday to Sunday, 7 a.m. to midnight. And our classes are 4 hourly, 7 to 11 a.m., 11 a.m. to 3 p.m., 3 p.m. to 7 p.m., 7 p.m. to midnight. You can come and study with us. This is the Jex Institute, sir. You're very much welcome.
Thank you.
So while here, of course, somebody will be sitting right there to welcome you in. Mm-hmm. And the baristas are always in here doing their class. Okay. This place is always full of students, 4 hourly. That group goes, another group comes in. They'll do their specialty coffees. We have several of them, maybe about 12 or so. They learn how to brew, to grind the coffee, yeah, the exact sizes for a particular drinks, and then they will be ushered to the espresso machine, learn to how to operate them, how to calibrate, how to maintain the machines. Because if you employ a barista and they can't even know how to clean a machine, then there are less of baristas. It's important that they know how to brew, but also how to maintain the machine, which is the business. So they learn how to do this as well. Calibrating.
And the cleaning part and
yes.
Yes.
All this
most important to maintain the machine, yeah.
Definitely. So on top of this, of course, they learn the cold brews. We have the cold brew drip tower and all that. Then they learn other instant drinks. Because we learned of it that in the cafes, they don't only do coffee. Mm-hmm. Somebody will need a cup of coffee, another will ask for an ice cream, a juice. So they learn juices, they learn mojitos, frappes, ice cream. They have a class to do with ice cream. And then, yeah, customer care is very important. How to handle customers. What do you do when you have a difficult customer? POS machine.
Of course.
All this,
yeah.
They are learning.
The most important part of the brewing methods, I always emphasize, because my company used to give consultation either for existing business or new business. Existing business, most of the time you find the coffee doesn't move fast, because if the coffee moves, then the dessert move with it, which you secure half of their menu. Okay, when you have a counter like that, okay, the mindset of every F&B manager, which is not to go in detail and so on, he have espresso machine and he make Americano and so on. But in our world now, which is the new trending, when you have a big counter, what you can provide? You can provide, if you go in Qahwa, you can provide Saudi coffee, Marathi coffee. You can provide pour-overs. Pour-overs comes V60, Chemex, Aeropress, French press, Mocha Express, okay? And not only that, you can even bring some cultural part, like Ethiopian coffee ceremony. Why not you can put the Javena over there? Why you don't put Vietnamese coffee with the condensed milk or coconut milk? Here you can do it as well. There's so many brewing methods important, been there for so many years, but not introduced in the public. Yesterday, they now launch in my coffee museum what is called Tawa. Tawa in local language is very important. It's this like a saucepan where we roast the coffee in our Arabian. But what he did, he's Brazilian and he put it in Dubai Duty Free. He launched it yesterday in the museum. He did the differential of all the Arabian brewing methods. Saudi, Marathi, Omani, Egyptian, what else it was? Turkish, and one more it was from one of the countries, Lebanon or Jordan. So everyone has different variation. So when you go detail in coffee, you provide everything, because don't forget, in UAE, you have more than 200 nationalities. When somebody from this culture comes and try the coffee exactly how the way it's made in their country, he'll feel the pride. And this is the importance about it.
It's a take to you, the baristas. Thank you so much. So, Mr. Khalid, in this place, we chose to provide all training materials for our students. So, the moment they come in, the system is they can pay in installments their fees. They can even start with 100 dirham. But when they're sure they've started a journey to improve themselves professionally, then they will get a 200, a 500, they'll pay at the office until when they complete the 2,000 dirham. In that time, they come to brew the coffee. All materials are provided, the coffee, the milk, the powders, the syrups, and everything. So by the end of the whole program, somebody has gotten the skills and has managed also to pay in a system that they can afford to manage. This is how we've chosen to improve lives here in the UAE, lives of mainly expatriates. I want to also appreciate the fact that locals are also calling now, though many of them are asking us to go and train them from their homes, which we can't do. We are saying, no, please pull yourself out of your home, come to the school, have a feeling of what it is to be in a class. Because this is Big Sister anyway. She's encouraging people to go to school. Thank you so much for visiting.
Thank you for taking the time to come. No, my pleasure. And whenever you want to come to my coffee museum, we can arrange, because I do give informative tour, like hour and a half to 2 hours. But it's like from the early birth of coffee all the way to modern technology in terms of roasting, grinding, brewing coffee, covering so many different cultures. You see the whole spectrum, like the evolution coffee is there. It starts from, because I've been collecting coffee antique items for the last 16 years.
Such a big profile.
And very knowledgeable.
You can see, the fundamental basis, the tools at the beginning, how they use the roasting and how it's developed to, like espresso machine and so on. And you see the whole thing over there. So
So
one day. Not now when you'll be super expert, huh?
So Mr. Khalid, this is the section for mainly barista, coffee brewing and all that, and the other juices, but also we have another section where the roasters now go. We have a sample roaster machine, but then the program is set in a way that would like to liaise with bigger roastery companies. whereby if a student finished training here, yes, had gotten the theories bit, and also the practical using the sample roaster, but also they can go and have an experience in one of the roastery companies. So they can see the big roastery machines, because we don't have space here.
Yeah.
We cannot actually have that roaster machine.
Okay,
yeah.
of course.
So, yeah, so this is what is going on. I'm trying to reach out to other roastery companies to do that for us. When somebody finishes the class here, at least they have a few other classes. Like we go to visit that roastery company, and they see how the roastery system
Don't
is
worry,
like.
I can fill this gap. It's very
Woo!
easy.
Thank you so much. All right, so thank you so much, sir. Yeah, so this is it. This is Jex Institute for you. Here we are. This is our roastery section. This is who we are.
You have bullet, huh?
Yeah. This is our store where we have. This is what we do, sir.
And good you did exhaust.
Yes, we do that.
Yeah.
I am a health worker, so I do all this. I have it in mind.
Yeah. No, I've done it also the same. No, for me it's a big challenge because the house where I have the museum is 120 years old. And when I came to to install the roaster, and I'm controlled with the government, they have to tell me.
Yeah.
But when they saw it's a unique project, then they allow me to do the coring and all of that in the wall. So it's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Then also we enrolled the pastry, because we know coffee goes along with a snack.
100%.
Yes.
You
so-
do also baking? Really?
Yeah, we started this year.
That's
so
smart. Very smart.
our pastry section is just here. So here they will do the pancakes, they will do the croissants and all that. A few things.
But if you
Then,
have like an oven baking, it will be perfect.
yeah, we are
But
building
due to
up
space,
everything shui.
Like a professional, there's a smaller baker, so there, yes,
Okay.
you can give you the same result for the pastries as
Ah,
well, and
okay.
so on. Yeah.
Okay.
No, amazing.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, so
you.
this is Jex Institute for you.
Amazing. Congratulations.
Welcome.
Thank you for inviting me.
Yes,
Thank you.
sir. All right, we'll go back to the school. Please. Yes, we'll go this way.
Got confused.